first order of the day. Got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $13 going 3.5 miles, 6 items.
And delicious prepared offerings from Signature Cafe. From gourmet creations to pantry staples, we stamp. Send your message as far as you need with help or other stamps right here at checkout. There you
Got my next order lined up right after this. It is a Jack in the Box. $10 going 2 miles. Hello. Good morning. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. So I just realized today is Good Friday, which I think means restaurants are going to be closed. So I'll see what I can pump out, but I've got a bad feeling about today. Finally got my next orders. It is a stack for Starbucks. I believe it's at $14 going 4 miles. Both orders ready on time. Nice.
Yeah, I'd use it.
Inside? Gotcha, thank you. Hello. Next order up is for McDonald's. This is $9 and some change, going less than 3 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Just got my next order. This is Starbucks. $8 and some change, going less than a mile. Got yet another Starbucks right after this. It's gonna be $8 going 3 miles.
Yep.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
You as well.
Thank you.
No worries.
Oops.
Sorry.
I remember elevators when they close. You better not be here. You get caught, it's going.
For Jasmine.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Next order up is for crumble cookies. This is $10 going less than 6 miles. Yes. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. This must be the only place open today, but Starbucks, $7.50 going 3 miles. Thank you.
So yeah, WMS, I know that was the topic you guys signed off for WMS way back when.
Sean?
All 3? Yeah. Thank you.
Then drop off on the right.
we're going back to Starbucks. This is $7 and some change, going about 3 miles.
Thank you. Oh no, they're both the same. Okay, cool. That makes it easy.
Next order up is a stack for Victor Rico's. This is $13, going 5.5 miles. Got a feeling these are not going to be ready by the time I get there. It's kind of a lot of food.
I'll be right with you.
Oh, of course, it's upstairs. Always upstairs. All right, well, I've been sitting here for about 30 minutes, I'd say, and I'm getting orders, but they're either all low tip or over 10 miles, and that's just not something I'm looking forward to. So this might be my cue to just wrap it up and go home. Current time is 10:50. Current total is 97, and I have one Uber tip yet to come in, so probably like 103, 104-ish. I think today broke the record for the most times going to the same restaurant in one shift. I'll have to count it later, but I'm guessing it was like 5 or 6 times going to that Starbucks today. Anyways, I'm gonna go home. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.